So in this video we'll be doing our first pattern. So what is the pattern if you ask me? So this is my expectation. If this is my output screen, all I want is to print a simple star on my screen. So only a single star is what I want. Then this would be our pattern number 1. So we all know if we want to print anything on the screen, we will now have to use system.out.print or println, anything you can use. And what I want to print is a single star. So hence I will now tell it like this. So if you tell this much within a Java program, you will now be getting your output. Really, will this work? Let us check it out.